Okay, exercise 5.1, question number 3. Now, what fraction of a week are 3 days? First of all, tell me how many days are there in a week? Yes, Arush Bangad.
Sir, there are 7 days in a week.
There are 7 days. Can you name them?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, correct. There are 7 days in a week. So we have to find 3 days will form what fraction? Okay,
Sir, 3/7.
3 upon 7. Okay, correct. So these are the days. संडे जो सबको पसंद आता है सबसे ज्यादा, संडे. ओके, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेनसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. These are the 7 days. So in denominator, total number of days will come, that is 7. Okay, and in numerator 3 will come. So 3 upon 7 is the fraction. Okay, no need to draw this figure and all, huh? It is just for your understanding. No one will draw this figure.
Okay.
You'll write like this. You'll write the answer like this. Fraction, required fraction is equal to 3 upon 7. Okay, no need to draw this figure. It is just for your understanding, just for the explanation of the question. Okay, next one. Yes, Meet Kataria. What fraction of an hour is 15 minutes?
Yes, sir. Sir, 15 upon 60.
15 upon 60.
60.
Okay, now see, you can see this is a clock. Now this is the minute hand. This is minute hand. This is seconds hand. Okay. And this small one, it is hour hand.
And
Okay. So when this minute hand, suppose अभी ये 2 पे है, तो ये 2 से 3 पे जाएगा, 3 से 4 पे जाएगा, 4 से 5, 5 से 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. It will again come back to this 2. That time this hour hand will move to this position. Yes or no? 11. When this
yes,
minute
sir.
hand will complete 60 minutes, this hour hand will be shifted to this position 11. ओके, सो हमको वो आवर हैंड से कोई मतलब नहीं है, हमको सिर्फ मिनट हैंड से मतलब है. तो मिनट हैंड एक कंप्लीट जो रोटेशन है वो कितने मिनट में करता है? 60. सो
60.
डिनोमिनेटर में 60 आ जाएगा और न्यूमरेटर में 15 आ जाएगा. ओके, डू यू नो द टेबल ऑफ 15?
Yes, sir.
सो कैन वी रिड्यूस दिस फ्रैक्शन?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इट विल कम देन?
1 by
1 by 4, correct. So 15 ones is 15 and
What
15 fours is 60.
4 is 60.
Okay, so 1 by 4 is the fraction that will represent 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Next one. You can write it after the class also, no issue. First pay attention, try to understand the things. You can write it afterwards also. अगर आपको समझ में आए तो आप बाद में भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, next one. Aditya Khatti.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
What fraction of a kg is 550 gram? So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram,
Correct.
and the answer will be 550 upon 1000.
550 upon 1000. So after reducing it, what you will get then?
After reducing it, 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100. So answer will be 1 by 2.
50 नहीं है भाई बेटा, वहां पे 55 है.
550. 55. तो 0 will cut and 55 upon 100.
So
11 and 20 is 11 upon 20.
required fraction will be what? न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा 550, डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 1000. Why we are not taking 1 kg directly? We have to keep both the units
We have
same.
to keep both the units same in the gram.
Okay. So this 0 will get cancelled, numerator and denominators. Again, 5 11s and
11s.
5 20s. So
20s
11 by 20 is the answer.
Reduced form.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, mute yourself. Next one, who will give me the answer now? Gaurav Bangad.
Yes, sir. Vivek spent 100 hours.
110 है बेटा.
Sorry. Vivek spent 10 hours on his study. He depends 2 hours of them on mathematics. What fraction of his study hours is denoted to mathematics?
Okay. Don't you think that he is giving less time for mathematics? First answer me this.
Sir, so much lesser.
Only 2 hours. Okay. But 2 hours is also enough if you do the proper study. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see here, I will represent one circle first. That circle will tell me how much hours he is studying. Now this circle represents total 10 hours. अभी उसमें का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा, this is 2 hours. Yes or no? Okay. Total circle is representing 10 hours. उसमें का ये छोटा हिस्सा जो है, this portion, this shaded portion, it is representing 2 hours. And this remaining white portion will represent how much hours then? Yes,
8
Gaurav?
hours.
Correct.
8 hours.
8 hours. Okay. So what they have said, he spent 2 hours of them on mathematics. What fraction of his study hours is devoted to mathematics? So we have to represent fraction. So required fraction.
Sir,
What
it will be 2 by 10.
Required fraction will be 2 by 10. Correct.
Its reduced form is 1 by 5.
So its reduced form is 1 by 5. अभी देखो, मुझे बताओ गौरव, रिमेनिंग जो है, रिमेनिंग आवर्स, उसका फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगा?
Sir, it will be 8 by 10.
Correct. It will be 8 by 10. That is not asked in the question, but we are just discussing it.
Yes, sir.
In the reduced form,
Form will 4 by 5.
4 by 5. अभी आप ध्यान दीजिए, हाँ, जो मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ, 4 by 5 और 1 by 5, इसका एडिशन कर सकते हो क्या आप?
हाँ सर, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, तो करो भला एडिशन. व्हाट इट कम्स, टेल मी.
Sir, it will be 1 whole. 5
Correct.
by 5.
So after joining it, it will become 1. Okay. So only this much is the answer. Required fraction is equal to 2 by 10, and in the reduced form it is 1 by 5. Okay. It was extra. This portion is extra. It is not asked in the question. Okay, next, Parth Agrawal. Parth Agrawal.
Yes, sir.
हम्म,
Yes, sir.
बोलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप बोलोगे.
In an examination,
हम्म,
1,500 students appeared. 150 of them could not clear the exam. Find the fraction of those students who could not clear the exam.
what is the
Sir,
reason? Parth, first tell me, what is the reason why they could not clear their exam?
Sir, because they do not study.
Correct. They used to not study. That's why they did not clear the exam. Correct. So for clearing the exam, what we have to do?
Study.
Correct. So now move to the question. Tell me, what will be the answer?
Sir, 150 upon 1,500 is equal to 1 by 10.
Okay, so here required fraction, what it will come? Total number of students जो है वो denominator में आएगा. Okay, 1500 will come in the denominator. And हमको fraction कौन सा चाहिए? Find the fraction of those student who could not clear the exam. तो हमारे पास उनका नंबर भी है. कितने लोगों ने नहीं किया क्लियर किया एग्जाम? 150.
One.
So 150 will be in the numerator. This 0 will get cancelled, and 15 ones and 15 tens are. Okay. So 1 by 10
Yes,
is
sir.
the reduced form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. Next one. Yes. Shlok Joshi.
Yes, sir. Write all the natural numbers from 20 to 35. What fraction of them are prime numbers?
Yes, Shlok, can you tell me what do you mean by prime number first?
Prime numbers which have only two factors. First one and number itself.
Correct. A prime number has only two factors. One factor is 1 and other factor is the number itself. Now tell me the lowest prime number in the world. Can you tell me the lowest prime number, Shlok?
Lowest prime number is 2 itself.
2. Okay. Can you tell me the only even prime number in the world?
Only smallest or even?
Even. I'm asking even.
2.
2. For both the cases, the answer is 2 only. Lowest prime number is also 2 and the only even prime number in the world is also 2. तो prime number का definition आपको पता होना चाहिए. What is prime number ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. तब आप ये question solve कर पाओगे. So now tell me the answer, Shlok, for this one.
The prime numbers are 21.
21 is a prime number. Do you think so?
I think so.
No. 21 के factors है 3, 7 और 1. 3 factors हो गए ना उसके. So how it is a prime number then?
That 29.
See, first we will write the numbers from 20 to 35. Huh? First we will write them.
21, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
Huh.
35.
Now tell me the prime numbers. We will circle the prime numbers now here. Bolo.
23,
23, correct. Next.
29, 29,
24, 25, 26, 27, 28. ये नहीं है. 29. Okay.
29, 30, and I think so 31.
31, correct. Okay, next.
There are 3 numbers.
Only-
There are 3 prime.
Okay. There are 3 prime numbers. Okay, so required fraction here it will be what?
Required fraction will be 15 upon 3 upon 15.
First count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7,
9,
8,
10.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16 numbers are there, na?
Yeah, 16 upon 3.
3 upon
3
16.
upon 16.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell the next of even numbers also?
No, next one I should give the chance to someone else. Okay, now your chance is over. Okay, Madhvi Nilesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Bolo. Even numbers. Madhvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
I can hear you.
Okay, 20.
So first we will write 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So
Okay,
even numbers are 20,
even numbers are 20. Okay, 20. I will circle it again.
21,
21 is also even.
21.
21 is
Yeah.
even.
No, sorry. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Yeah.
Okay, so what will be
So it
the
will be
required fraction?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 16.
Okay, there are 8 even numbers and total numbers are 16. If we solve it,
16.
what it will come?
1 by 2. Because 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16.
Correct. So required fraction will be what? 1 by 2. Okay. Now see here, most of the students, they are confused. Okay, don't see the back answers. There are many mistakes in your book. Okay, what they have said, right? All the natural numbers from 20 to 35. अब पीछे जो उन्होंने आंसर निकाला है, between 20 to 35 लेके निकाला है. Okay, so that's why their answer and our answer will not match. So here they have said from 20 to 35, so we will have to take 20 also and 35 also. Between अगर बोलेंगे तो 20 और 35 नहीं लेना पड़ेगा हमको. So that's why the answers might come different. So don't trust the back
Can
answers.
I unmute myself? Mute myself.
Yes. Okay, write the answers which I am giving to you. Okay, from and between the meaning changes. From का अलग meaning है, between का अलग meaning है. Okay, so from अगर लेंगे हम लोग तो 20 से 35, 20 और 35 को भी इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा उसमें. ओके, और between अगर लेंगे तो 20 और 35 को हम लोग इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं. It depends on the word what is given in the question. Okay, next one. Who will tell me the next one? Okay, Ganaraj Dongre.
Yes, sir. Write all the natural numbers from 20 to 35. What fractions of them are composite numbers?
बोलो.
Sir, 20.
Can you tell me the definition of composite number?
The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers.
करेक्ट. ओके, तो जो प्राइम नंबर नहीं होता है वो कंपोजिट नंबर होता है. अब मुझे एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. इट इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन फॉर एवरीबडी. वन प्राइम नंबर है या कंपोजिट नंबर है?
One is not a prime number nor a composite number.
करेक्ट बेटा, वेरी नाइस. आपको पता है ये बात, बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपको पता है. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन.
Sir, 20, 21,
20, 21. ओके, कंपोजिट है.
22,
22 इज ऑल्सो कंपोजिट.
24,
24.
25,
हाँ,
26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, and 35.
so what will be the answer?
Sir, 12 upon 15.
16 beta.
12 upon 16.
Okay, so if we simplify it, what it will come? 4 threes are and 4 fours are, so 3 by 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next one, Shreya Gilda.
Yes, sir. Sir, Sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sir, can I
Hmm.
start?
Yes, yes.
Sir, from um, -2 to 5, the numbers are -2,
Hmm.
-1, 0,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
So total numbers from negative numbers in this are -2 and -1. So 2 upon 8.
Okay, correct. Do you know the number line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so on the left hand side of the zero, we have negative values, and
Yes.
on the right side, we have positive values.
Yes.
Can you tell me, beta, what does this numbers on this number line represent? कौन से टाइप के नंबर्स है ये? नेचुरल नंबर है, होल नंबर है, या फिर कोई और
Uh,
है?
Sir, from means positive numbers are natural numbers,
These all are
and
integers, beta. Integers. पॉजिटिव
okay, sir.
नेगेटिव सबको अगर साथ में ले लेंगे ना हम लोग, तो इसको हम लोग इंटीजर्स बोलते हैं. ओके.
Okay.
सो यहाँ से 2 से -2 से स्टार्ट करना है फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, एंड वी हैव टू एंड ऑन 5. सो
Yes.
फर्स्ट काउंट हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर. फ्रॉम बोला है, यहाँ पे भी वर्ड फ्रॉम यूज किया है, बिटवीन नहीं यूज किया है. सो यू विल टेक -2 ऑल्सो एंड 5 ऑल्सो. हाँ.
Yes. Yes. So, sir, total 8 integers are there.
So required fraction will be what?
2 upon 8.
Only 2 are negative. This -2 and -1. So it will
Yes.
come in the numerator,
Yes.
and in the denominator it will come in. So 1
2
by
upon 8.
4.
4.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mute yourself. Soham Rathod, be ready for the next one.
Yes, sir. A bag has 20 white balls, 10 red and 50 black balls. Find the fraction of white balls, red balls and black balls.
First, you tell about only white balls. What will be the fraction for white balls?
So 20 upon 30 plus 15, 45. So 20 upon 45.
So total balls, first we will find out total balls. 20 plus 10 plus 15. So 30 plus 15, that is equal to 45. Okay. So now we have to write the fraction for white balls. So required fraction will be what?
20 upon 45.
Required fraction will be. Can you tell me its simplest form, beta?
Yes, sir. 2 10 that 3 4 3 3 plus 6. So 4 by 9. 4 by 9, sir. Yeah. 4 by 9.
Beta, who is this? Zero is neither positive nor negative. Zero is neutral. Lisa Sukhani. Zero is neither positive nor negative.
Sir, can I give the answer of red ball also?
No, no, no. Vraj will give the answer.
Sir, there are 10 red balls and the total numbers of balls are 45. So 10 upon 45 and its required fraction is 10 upon 45 and reduced fraction is 2 upon 9.
So first required fraction. Okay. What it will come?
Yes, sir.
Denominator will come 45. Numerator will come what? 10.
10.
So 2 upon
9.
9. Okay. Reduced fraction will be 2 upon 9. Okay. Very nice. Next. Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir. Sir, now black balls.
Yes, black balls. Correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, the whole number of balls are 45.
Whole
And,
not beta,
fif-
total number of balls.
Sorry. Total number of balls are 45 and there are 15 black balls. So it would be 15 upon 45.
Okay.
And
So
sir, it's reduced.
yes.
Sir, its reduced fraction will be 1 upon 4.
45 upon
Sorry, 1 upon 3.
1 upon 3 because 15 ones and 15 threes is 45. Okay.
Yes.
Now for black ball, what fraction we got? 1/3. Okay. White ball का fraction क्या मिला था हम लोगों को? What was the fraction that we got for white ball? 4/9. Okay. तो 4/9 plus 2/9 plus 1/3 करके देखो बोला कितना आता है. Do this addition and tell me the answer. It will come 1, correct. Okay. It will come 1, correct. Okay, next one. Okay, Shaurya Lahoti.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Write the numerator and denominator of each of the following. 2/5. Numerator 2 and denominator is 5.
Okay, numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. Correct. So your numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. Okay. Like this only you'll write the answer. Huh? No need to draw this figure. Just write this numerator is equal to 2 and denominator is equal to 5. Okay, next one. Lisa Sukhani.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, numerator is 7 and denominator is 11.
Okay, numerator is 7 and denominator is 11. Correct. Okay, next is Diya Goda.
Yes, sir. 8 upon 15. So numerator is 8 and denominator is 15.
Okay, numerator is 8 and denominator is 15. Correct.
15. So we want to write this in textbook only, na?
No. In CW you will write it. Only
Okay.
first 2 questions in the textbook. What happened, Vraj? Why do you want to share the screen? Vraj Sodani. Okay, next one. Okay, numerator here in this case. Okay, Samarth Uble. Samarth.
Yes, sir. Sir, numerator is 16, denominator is 23.
Correct. Numerator is 16, denominator is 23. Okay, Netal Sarda, next one.
Yes, sir. Write the fraction whose numerator 3 and denominator 7. So it would be 3/7.
3 will come in the above in the numerator place and 7 will be in the denominator place. Okay. या अपॉन साइन के ऊपर न्यूमरेटर वैल्यू आता है, अपॉन साइन के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यू आता है. ओके, सो द फ्रैक्शन इज 3/7. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. वैष्णवी जाजू.
Yes, sir. Right, numerator 15 and denominator 11. So, sir, it is 15/11.
15/11, correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Trisha. 6
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
D1. Denominator 27, numerator 8. 8 by 27, sir.
Beta C1 is going. C1.
Okay, sir. Numerator 5, denominator 12. 5 by 12.
5 by 12. Correct.
The
Next-
next one,
No. Next one, Girija Suryakant.
Sir,
Huh.
28 by 27 by 8.
27 by 8. Okay. 27 by 8. Okay. Next one. Girija, mute yourself. Reva Khillare.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 by 28.
3 by 28. Okay. Correct. 3 by 28. Next one. Diya Jain. Diya.
Yes, sir. Sir, numerator. Mama. Sir, numerator is 15 and denominator is 16. So 15 upon 16.
Okay. 15 upon 16. Okay. So we have completed 12th question also. Total number of questions. How many questions are there in this? How many questions are there? Okay. And remaining part of this exercise we will cover up tomorrow. Okay. And we will start the next topic also tomorrow. What happened, Mohit More? Why do you want to share the screen?